All right, we are looking ahead to the Fuel game tonight where they are hosting the Iowa Heartlanders. And at that game tonight, look for one of our own. Lauren Kostick's going to be at the Fuel game tonight. She's going to try to hit that puck and get it in the net. And if she does, the money raised is going to go to Indy Humane during intermission. So we had her practicing in the newsroom. And she's got that stick there and she's working on it. You know, Scott Swan went and did this a couple of weeks ago, and he was close, but not close enough. It is it's like a little mouse hole.
Yeah, it's a very tiny hole, and she's a really great reporter, not a hockey player.
But maybe she'll get lucky and benefit Indy Humane, too. That'd be great.
That would be great. I think it's $10,000 that would go to Indy Humane, and she should ask Scott. Scott thought his footing, his stance was off, which is the reason he missed. So maybe Lauren should get one tip from Scott.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. I believe him.
Well, but you need to stand on a little piece of carpet out there on the ice, too, so it's not like you have to, you know, put skates on and deal with
I repeat, none of us are hockey players.
No, but we're willing to try to help charity if we can and have a little bit of fun at the game.
We're going to cheer her on, and it's also, it's not Lauren Kostick night. We consider it Lauren Kostick night, but an Indy Humane night, hopefully. But it's due 317 night, and so they have a special for the $3, a special for the $1, and a special for the $7. The $1 is popcorn.
Yes, that's a good one.
Yeah.
What's $7?
I think 7 was a craft beer.
I was going to say, how much is the beer?
I think a craft beer.
Hey, at venue pricing, $7 for a beer, that's not too bad.
Considering sometimes you can pay 20. Yes. And I forget what the 3 was, but go on and root on our Lauren. Yes. And the Fuel tonight. If you're headed to the game, this game or the Pacers game, just be prepared. Temperatures will be in the upper 30s and low 40s, so not too cold, but there will be some patchy fog going to and from. This evening at Gainbridge Fieldhouse, we host the Suns. That tip is 7 o'clock. And again, the same weather issue coming and going is the fog. And you can see that live from Monument Circle, that low cloud deck. Temperatures right now in the low 40s. We have cloudy skies, 42, and a west wind at 9 miles per hour. Not much of a difference between the high and the low today. It was cooler. We didn't get into the 50s, 48, 40 numbers from today, but still above the averages of 36 and 20. Officially no rain today, but Ann mentioned the heavy rain we had last night. It amounted to just over a ½ inch officially at the airport in Indianapolis, and that puts us 1.5 inches above average for this young year so far. Sunset this evening. We will be a little cooler tonight. Temperatures fall into the middle and upper 30s, and then we're back into the upper 30s and low 40s for highs tomorrow. A couple of showers tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. Nothing on radar now. This weather system developing down to the southwest. It will get here late afternoon, early evening, but right now thinking we miss out on the heavy rain. It stays south and east of the Ohio River, but between 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. tomorrow, we get a few spotty showers that at times may mix with a few flakes of snow late Saturday night into early Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon, we'll stick with clouds, a few sprinkles, a few flurries, and much like tomorrow, highs in the upper 30s and low 40s for the end of the weekend. This typical January chill continues into the early part of next week. A few mixed rain snow showers on Tuesday before we warm up and we get some sunshine starting Wednesday of next week. So yes, I was right. A craft beer or a t-shirt?
That's right.
For the $7?
Yes, and you can get a domestic beer for $3 or a soft drink.
A soda. Okay.
Yeah, and
I like the
$1 popcorn.
I like the $1 popcorn.
I do too.
Yeah,
So
this is why people love Indiana. Like, look how awesome that is and inexpensive that is for families.
Yeah, 317 night tonight at Indy Fuel. All right, thanks.
Well, you can track all the changes on the live Doppler 13 weather app. You can find it in your phone's app store.